Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Zelle with America First Credit Union. So without any delay, let's get into it. First, go to the official website americafirst.com. Sign into your account. Now, once you're signed in, scroll down to the Bill Pay or Move Money section. Choose the option to send money with Zelle. Follow the on-screen instructions to accept the terms and conditions. Enter your email address and mobile number to receive the OTP for verification. Now enter the OTP and you will be all set to send and receive money through Zelle. That's it, guys. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.